Okay, so we're gonna be going over future Greenville update. I think the update will be soon. It might not. It might be. Okay, so I think we left off on the alpha. Yeah, we did. Now we have the 2022 Volkswagen Golf style, lifestyle, R line, GTD, GTE, and GTI, and R. I actually really like this car, even though the older one was in Horizon 4, Horizon 5, but the new one is in Horizon 5, and I heard about the new generation, so I decided to drive the 2021 Golf in Horizon 5. So I'm trying to convert it into a drift car. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get this car in the game. It looks really nice. It's really stylish. So yeah. 2022 Acura MDX base technologically A space advanced and Type S, not Type R, Type S. Honda don't Honda. I know you made the Type S for the Civic, but you don't need to make it for the Acura MDX. Okay, I really like this car, but I think the back is a bit futuristic. I well, a bit futuristic is nice for me, but not that much. Where I think it's like way too much. So yeah, but amazing car at the front end. Now next car, 2010 Toyota Prius 2/3 IV and V. Okay, Prius, nice. I get it. To not even drive it, but overall, it is a nice car. Kind of not, kind of is, and kind of not again. But I just don't like the design on it. I've never been inside one. Who knows? Inside might be nice in it. Comment down below if you've been in a Prius and how was it like. I've just never been in it, and it might look nice, it might not. I like it, but I don't like it at the same time. Yes, yes. Same 2007 Bugatti Veyron 16.4 and the 2015 Veyron Grand Sport Vietnamese Super Sport and Super Sport Two Tone. Could I get this if I could afford it? Probably not. But who knows? I might not. All the ones that I might get might be the white one over there. Just, just, it's a really nice car. I love it. Okay, I've been waiting a lot for this. 2017 Super WRX Base Premium Limited STI and STI Limited. Yeah, I might get this. I might get this. Especially with this huge part of the JDM community, the WRX. I like JDM cars. So yeah, I might get it. It's been nice too. Pontiac Aztec refreshed with improved model, new tune, sounds, and lights. Corrected trims, 8 total rim options, comes with two 2001 trims, front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, and four 2005 trims, front-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, whatever that is in Rally Edition. So yeah, I'm not gonna get this car. It's ugly. It's one of the ugliest cars in American history, other than the Chrysler PT Cruiser, which this is this. Why? Never mind. Well, it is a realistic car that sometimes drives around Greenville. Okay, now the 2017 Lexus LX 570. I love this car. I might get it. I drive it around a lot. But this car is probably going to be really expensive. Okay, next. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay. Remodel 2022 Kia Telluride LX, SEX, SX, and SX Nightfall. Alright. Come on, load. Mushroom. See, that's why I like this. No. Okay. No. Okay. Alright. Okay. I got it. I got it. I'm definitely gonna get this car. I love it. It's a nice car. It's a nice car. I love it. It's a nice car. It's nice to drive around. I see it sometimes on the road. But it's probably like a Corvette in the world. Because you don't really see Corvettes a lot. And I don't really see Tellurides a lot. But except for the winter. I see a lot of them in the winter. Which I if I look at the window I will see one. No. No cars inside. Okay. So yeah. It is a popular car. Okay, last but not least. 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500 HD 2500 HD WT LS LT quad steer 1500 HD. So yeah, holy, I can tell that there's a beater right over here. That's a beater. I'm definitely gonna get this truck. I'm gonna drive around a bit, and I'm gonna sell it. That's really good. I'm definitely gonna get the Joy. Out of all cars, I'm gonna get the Joy. There's two beater editions. That's the beater. That's the beater. I could tell. See, I'm good on my Greenville stuff. Okay. See you guys.